Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tim K Fishing Outdoors, coming at you again from the shop, getting ready to haul the boat down to High Rock Lake, North Carolina, doing a bunch of maintenance on it. Hey, one thing I'm excited about, I started a partnership with ZMAX about 2-ish months ago. And ZMAX, they're very well known in the racing, drag racing, Indy, supercross, motocross world. And they make a lot of fantastic products that I think have a great application for the tournament bass angler. ZMAX, they're an industry leader in what are called micro lubricants. And micro lubricants are lubricants that have particles that are smaller than the particles in most lubricants, which allows it to not only create a protective coating, but also allows it to penetrate into the metal, so it has a long-lasting protective coating, which also helps eliminate or control the amount of contaminants that are going to adhere to that metal, causing that metal to fatigue and fail. So what I've got today, what I want to show you today is the ZMAX multi-purpose lubricant. Most of us run some type of shallow water anchor on our boat. I happen to run Minn Kota Talons. And for the guys that run the Talons, you know that if you don't keep them clean and well lubricated, they will squeak and squeal and scare every fish off the lake. That's the issue that I have right now. I've been fishing a lot this year, and I've got to get these things cleaned and lubricated before I head down to the next tournament there in High Rock. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you pull up on a grass bed, let's say, and there's got a bunch of fish on it, and you want to anchor down and you want to fish these fish, and you go to hit your shallow water anchor, and this is what you get. So after hearing all that noise, how many of those fish do you think are actually still going to be there for you to fish? Probably none. You're going to see a fish swim away faster than you've ever seen a fish swim away before. What I want to show you is the other side that I've actually treated. Let me just move this over here a little bit. That I've actually cleaned and treated with the ZMAX product. First thing I did is I hit it with the all-purpose cleaner. Stuff is great as a degreaser. For the guys with Talons, I'm sure you've lubricated your Talons in the past. You bought some off-the-shelf lubricant, sprayed it, coated it, whatever you did, but you got to get that off first, because as I said before, the ZMAX multi-purpose, it creates not only a film, but it also wants to penetrate that metal to give you a long-lasting protective coating. So let me just show you this side that I've cleaned with a degreaser and I've treated with the multi-purpose lubricant. Same scenario, pull up on a grass bed. See that 5-pounder, you need the wind. You want to anchor down and fish for them for a while, and you hit your anchors. You're probably going to have a better chance of catching that fish powering down with the anchors that have been cleaned with, again, the ZMAX multi-purpose lubricant. You'll notice there was no squeak, no squeal, unlike the side that hasn't been cleaned and treated yet. So check it out. Go to ZMAX.com. Look at their all-purpose degreaser. Yes, it's a degreaser, but keep in mind, I'm sure you guys have sprayed the other products all over your Talons to prevent and stop that squeaking. Get that off of there first, clean it. I used a Scotch-Brite pad, scrubbed it, wiped it down. Then I went back and I hit it with the ZMAX multi-purpose lube. And so far, I'll tell you, that's the quietest my Talons have been since probably the day that I bought them. Because you guys know as well as I do, you fish 2 tournaments and those things are dirty and they're squeaking. So check it out, ZMAX.com, degreaser, multi-purpose lube. Do me a favor, hit follow. I've got a bunch of other ZMAX products I'm going to feature this week, and I want to show you guys. They've got a lot of products that are going to cross over from the competitive racing, motocross, Indy, drag racing, over into competitive bass fishing. So check it out, ZMAX.com, hit follow, hit like, share this with your friends too. Truly, truly is good stuff. Thanks guys for looking, and we'll talk at you soon. See you, bye.